everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today I have an unboxing. I purchased the MIYA Gouache, the 24 set. I was very intimidated by gouache when I first started. I'm making a video, what are you doing? You're supposed to be sleeping. I was very intimidated by the set when it first came out because I didn't like gouache, I didn't know how to work with gouache properly. But now that I know that gouache is more of a hybrid between acrylics and watercolours, giving you the opacity of acrylics but the blending and the feathering out that you get with watercolours, I actually became really excited to get it, and I've been obsessively watching unboxings and reviews and tutorials on YouTube. And then I placed my own order, and I've still been obsessively tracking it and watching reviews and openings and tutorials, and I finally have my own sets, and I was very excited. So let us go ahead and open it. So here is my MIYA Gouache set, 24 colours of 30ml. Safe, non-toxic, washable, bright colours, silky and smooth and quick drying. Got a beautiful mixing palette. We have a swatch card with all of the colour names. We have some beautiful brushes. So we have a flat brush. We have I think this is called a filbert brush, the rounded edge one. A really soft but quite firm. And we have a more round brush. I guess this is a lot like the one I use for watercolour painting. Here are the paints themselves. These are quite hefty. From all of the videos I've watched, apparently they have a smell, not necessarily a bad smell, but there is an odour. Some people don't mind it, some people do, so that is to be seen. And the lids, the little lids, are notoriously hard to get off, so let's go ahead and just flip that over. There are our colours. Now I'm going to change the order of these to what makes the most sense to me. Let us go ahead and try and get these open. Sorry if you see a lot of shaking. The camera is half resting on my bed on a tripod, half on the propped up on the floor. So let's go ahead and unbox these. I've got paper towels because I've heard that you can get really messy doing this. So let's start with our first colour, Prussian blue. A lot comes off on the lid. Here is my beautiful wash palette. Now I'm going to go in with a palette knife and mix some of these because they have started to separate from the binding agent. I'm going to smooth them all, make them all pretty, and then we can get to swatching. Well, here's my swatch card. These colours were really buttery, they were smooth, they were beautiful, they were easy to work with. They dried down really matte. My favourite, I think my favourite colour here is the ultramarine blue. I find that blues with any paint sets like watercolors or acrylics, blues seem to be my favorite colors, although I don't necessarily work with them a lot. Some colors, I guess the names were lost in translation, because this color here, which most people would call a pink, is called purple, and then you've got pale purple and violet, but they dry really quickly, they dry down matte, they're beautiful to work with. I didn't have very much trouble opening them, except for maybe 1 or 2 little cups, and I didn't smell any smell, but for science sake, got a little white. If anything, it's a very mild wet dog smell. And I've got these 30 milliliter jelly cups, which I guess is why they're called jelly gouache. When you usually buy gouache, they come in 5 to 12 milliliter tubes, so 30 milliliters is a very decent amount, and it should last you a long while. From all the videos and things that I've watched, the palette will stay moist for quite some time. However, it does dry out over time. It's not light fast, so this is craft to student grade. It's not professional grade, but it is better quality than dollar store gouache, which is what I've got now. So I'm actually really excited to get working with this and paint some really nice pieces, and that's everything. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with our friends, do all the YouTube whatnots, and help us please our algorithm overlords. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.